Jamming is illegal. I am in the middle of nowhere with my Peugeot 108 and Flipper Zero. As you can see, key fob is working. I can lock and unlock my car. But if I play jamming code at key fob frequency saved in my Flipper Zero, jamming file for 433.92 MHz, and let's send it. While it's on, key fob is unable to reach the car and nothing is happening. So let me stop it, and key fob is back and operational. Links to jamming files and much more are in description. If you want to know how to open car with Flipper Zero, check out this video of mine, where I managed to capture and replay rolling code of my Peugeot 108. Jamming can be done also by playing bunch of codes on the same frequency, for example brute forcing on 433.92 MHz can create noise and stop key fob signal from reaching the car. This method is not that good, but sometimes it works. If you want to see sub-gigahertz antenna inside of the Flipper Zero, check my other videos where I tear down my Flipper Zero. Check links in description and subscribe. See you in the next video.